you're teaching the world to ignore you and distrust you and even dislike you. And it will.
Why should entrepreneurs avoid being a go-taker?
Because what goes around comes around. You know, it's really true. If you're just looking at, here's the thesis of the go-giver is that if you look out for other people, the world will take care of you. If you put other people's interests first, your interests will be more than handled, well more than handled. And the same thing is in reverse. If you just are looking out for number one and nobody else, that may look successful for a time, but you're doing the opposite of making friends with the world. You're teaching the world to ignore you and distrust you and even dislike you. And it will.